Hello there. It's been a while since I made a video, but anyways, I'm here with my nephew and his son, right there. Come on, let's go. And one of my older brother had killed a moose here in the fall and left. Hey, it's gone. Okay, moose hide there, and there's an old lease here. On the other side there, I think we've got something over there as well. My nephew had a snare over there, and on this side, we also have another snare. And we could see from the road that we caught something. Looks to be, I think, a coyote. Oh, yes, it is a coyote. They're still moving and we're pulling up. This was a dead log, dead willow here. I'm gonna set my snare right there on this trail.
Coyote, huh?
There it is. First coyote of the year. I'll get this guy out of here and we'll check out the other side, see what they got on the other side.